हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स डोमेन से रिलेटेड जॉब। तो अगर आपके पास इस फील्ड में एक्सपीरियंस है, यू आर लुकिंग टू स्विच द जॉब, यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर और एज एन इंटर्न, देन दिस वीडियो इज अ मस्ट फॉर यू। अगर आपके पास पाइथन, सीक्वल और पावर बीआई स्किल्स हैं और एजाइल एंड स्क्रम मेथोडोलॉजीज का एक्सपीरियंस है, देन दैट वुड बी एन एडेड एडवांटेज। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज एंड सैलरी कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। उससे पहले for my new audience, let me introduce myself. My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। एंड आई ऑलमोस्ट 8+ years of experience recruiting people for different skills like Power BI developer, SQL developer, Python, data scientist, or data analyst role. So if you do not want to miss out a single job opportunity related to these domains, then do subscribe this channel right away. Follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है, जहाँ पे मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कराता हूँ इन डोमेन्स रिलेटेड डेली जॉब्स अलॉन्ग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। तो अगर आप डेली बेसिस पे कोई भी जॉब मिस आउट नहीं करना चाहते हैं, देन डू फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज राइट अवे। और अगर आप मुझसे कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं तो मेरी सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स के लिंक और मेरी मेल आईडी अवेलेबल है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे, डू चेक दैट। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे। हम लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। लेट्स मूव टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन।
फ्रेंड्स आगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिमाइंडर अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहां पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स रिलेटेड टू डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, पावर बीआई डेवलपर, बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स और पाइथन डेवलपर रोल। सो इफ यू हैव नॉट फॉलोड द चैनल, डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। First company in the list is Amazon Pay, hiring for business analyst, experience 0 to 2 years, location is in Bangalore, salary competitive, education bachelor's degree. About the role, what you need to do as a business analyst: understanding drivers, impacts and key influences in big jobs domain, partnering with the business teams to create key performance indicators and new methodologies for measurement, automate reporting for weekly business metrics, identify style areas of opportunities to automate and scale ad hoc analysis. You'll perform complex data analysis, root cause, deep dive correlation. You'll build infrastructure and implement a maintenance strategy for internal data sets to support swift analysis. And for this, what you need to have some basic skills: a knowledge of SQL and Excel at a moderate or advanced level. The candidate should enjoy problem solving and is proficient in VBA and other automation tools. Passion for extracting actionable insights from the data. Excellent communication, technical understanding, problem solving, leadership, teamwork, client and management. So these are some technical skills this company is looking for. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. Second company in the list is Crisil, which is basically a credit trading information service company in India, hiring for business analyst, experience 0 to 3 years, location is in Mumbai, salary 3 to 7 lakhs per annum, that is estimated, and education MBA and CA. Roles and responsibilities: analytics and insights on business performance, construct insights for broad presentation and briefing materials for external meetings, operational analytic and enable data-driven decision making, manage key strategic projects by working closely with the business leaders and ensuring they are progressing as per plan and timeline. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. Required skills: ability to plan beforehand, multitask with executing agility, ability to handle pressure situations and solution orientation, good written communication with attention to detail, proficiency with Excel and PowerPoint, communicate clearly with empathy and assertiveness, and an interest in science, technologies, engineering, and mathematics, that is STEM education is a plus but not mandatory. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for this job role. And if you are a fresher looking to start your career as a business analyst, then definitely can apply for the job post for Mumbai location. And some mandatory skills: advanced Excel, MIS reporting, business analysis, and PowerPoint. And if you're interested for the job post, you can find this link in the description box and you can apply by this link. Now let's move to the third job, which is for the company name Incubate, which is basically a IT service and digital transformation company, hiring for business analyst, experience 1 to 3 years, location is in Gurgaon, salary 3 to 8 lakhs per annum, education bachelor's degree in business or administration. About the role: work with stakeholders to map requirements and business processes to systems and applications, work closely with the data team to understand the business process and requirements for an incoming data warehouse solution, work with architects to determine the best approach to address problems, work closely with developers, architects, and other technical team members to ensure clear understanding and requirement and successful implementation, ensure delivery of functionality and integration meets the business requirement, and understand how functional requirements and upstream downstream systems integration impact the overall solution. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst. So if you have experience in these roles, then surely you can apply for the job post. And some technical skills this company is looking for: a comprehensive understanding of software development, the SDLC, iterative deployment and technical concepts, excellent reporting skills and experience in advanced Excel knowledge, outstanding communication skills and a proactive approach to engaging with diverse technical and non-technical stakeholders, and prior experience working with Snowflake technologies would be an advantageous. So if you have experience in Snowflake or some software development, you can apply for the job post, and you can find this link in the description box where you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Fourth company in the list is STEMPEDIA, hiring for business analyst intern. This company is basically an edtech startup at Ahmedabad, and they are looking for fresher business analysts. So if you have zero experience looking to start your career as a business analyst intern, then you can grab this opportunity. Location is in Ahmedabad. Education: pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree in business economics, analytics or related field, and salary would be competitive. They have not disclosed it. Roles and responsibilities: collect, clean, and analyze data from various sources to identify trends, opportunities, and areas of improvement. Market research, research industry trends, competitive offerings, and customer preferences to provide insights that inform strategic decision. Requirement gathering: collaborate with stakeholders to define and document business requirements for new projects. Cross-functional collaboration: work closely with teams such as product development, marketing, and sales to understand their needs and support their goals. And some recommendations: provide data-driven recommendations to guide decision making, improve product offering, and enhance customer experience. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst intern over here. And some technical skills: familiarity with data analysis tools such as Excel, SQL, Python, or similar tools is a plus. Collaborate mindset with the ability to work effectively in cross-functional team. A passion for learning and staying up to date with industry trends and best practices. And attention to detail: meticulous attention to detail to ensure accuracy in data analysis and reporting. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for this job post Estepedia. And if you're interested for the job post, you can find this link in the description box. Let's move to the fifth job, which is for the company name Capline Services, which is basically a medical billing company hiring for business analyst, experience 0 to 3 years, locations in Noida, education bachelor's, master's, engineering degree from a premium institute, salary 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. And this company is basically looking for an individual who can coordinate between onshore and offshore teams, engage in handling calls of enterprise and different business units. Further, you are expected to be a self-starter in organization meetings, calls with the respective cross-functional teams or stakeholders to ensure that the implementation projects is not affected. Responsible for calling insurance companies in US and dental offices, ability to take the concept to reality, including some technical and functional challenges. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. And some technical skills this company is looking for: excellent verbal and written communication skills, attention to detail and ability to analyze and interpret data, pleasant, professional and courteous personality, strong administrative skills, organized, efficient and versatile. Fresher with a track record of 60% in academics with exceptional communication skills can apply. Motivated to bring fresh thoughts on the table, highly creative, and most importantly willing to exercise it. So these are some technical skills for this job post. And if you find yourself suitable for the job post, you want to start a career as a fresher in this business analytics domain, then definitely you can try for this job. Location is in Noida, and you can get the link in the description box. Sixth company in the list is Equity, which is basically an investment banking company hiring for business and data analyst, experience 0 to 2 years, location is in Gurgaon, salary 3 to 7 lakhs per annum, education bachelor's degree required, preferably in quantitative field. What do you need to do as a business analyst over here? Supporting our clients on multiple industries including technical, media, telecom, consumer, retail industries. Provide high quality analysis on the project including critical industry or market analysis. Further, managing, delivering and execution of project including memos, case studies, news tellers, operational benchmarking, WACC analysis, and valuation analysis through income methods and multiple drive techniques. So these are some roles and responsibilities, and if you do not have the experience, you need not to worry about it because they will provide you enough training for it. And some technical skills this company is looking for: proficient in using MS PowerPoint, command over MS Excel to process varied data sets in spreadsheet. Knowledge of Python or SQL would be an added advantage. Highly motivated, ambitious, flexible, and willing to work hard. And you can apply for the job post by clicking on this link. Let's quickly move to the seventh job, which is for the company named Genpact, hiring for consultant business analytics, experience 2 to 4 years. Location is in Noida and Bengaluru. Education, bachelor's degree. Roles and responsibilities: leading ongoing reviews of business process and developing optimization strategies, perform a requirement analysis, document and communicating the results of your efforts, further gathering critical information from meetings with various stakeholders. And what you need to have as in technical skills: stakeholders management, MS Office, especially excellent PPT, graphs and chart programs management, experience in tools like MicroStrategy, Tableau or Power BI, must be a self-starter and should take ownership, and stakeholder management, someone who can drive the workshop. So these are some roles and responsibilities, and you can get this link in the description box to apply. So friends, these are 7 jobs for this week for the role of business analyst. Do press the like button if this video is helpful, and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.